Dear Lola, back here in the States, we have our daily routines. Mom cooks for us. Dad goes on the computer and goes to sleep. They both leave every morning to go to work. And Alan dances. But today is a very special day.
Hi, Ma. Hi, Lola. Happy birthday. Today we know you're celebrating your 85th birthday. So, because we're not there, we prepared something for you. We cooked spaghetti and we have a cake for you that we're all gonna eat. So, I'd like to say a little greeting for you that hope you enjoy.
Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for taking care of me and Kuya when we were babies. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Sana mag-enjoy ka kayong kaya kang birthday. Pasensya na at alang miras kaya kaming taga Kenya, America po, New Jersey. Busy lang. Salamat ka rin hanggang kamag-anak. Ka rin hanggang kaluguran na migaten kayong birthday mo. At palaging at chicken, ka rin kaluguran ko na panay chicken, kasi kailangan tala. Po ka rin kamag-anak tamo, mamasikaso kaya kayo. Dakala salamat kaya kayo nga, kareng kaputol at chicken, na palaging at chicken, panililingap kaya ka. At sana mag-enjoy kayo. Hanggang bisita, pakapangan nyo, dakal ko paluto, kaya nat itang kusina, pagibatsoy niya mo, what ating ipupulay kayong luluto ra. Mag-enjoy na kayo mo at salamat kayo nga. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma!
And enjoy your birthday. At interakan ka niyan, yung teterak yan. Tayo kakalingon padala yung picture, ang pang-video, bakang takip ni Kenny, America. We miss you, we miss you all. Ima, day kaputol, day kamag-anak ang pong kaluguran. We miss you all.
Happy
birthday! Okay, let's cut the cake.
Bon appetit!